Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. I am Jamie Beth. Today we are going to see what is in this giant box I received in the mail. I am so excited for this. I couldn't wait to receive this box in the mail. So how I came to receiving this giant box that we're going to open up in just a minute is I was watching a fellow YouTuber and she was talking about the Bizy Beauty Store and how she got a custom made box with everything she likes just for her, and I was like, oh, I want that too. I contacted the Bizy Beauty Store through Instagram, and I will link Renee's site down below because I really think you should check her out and like her page and subscribe. She is just absolutely wonderful. And I will have the Bizy Beauty Store's IG also linked down in my description so that you can check out her page and maybe get a custom box created for yourself. Here is the box. We are going to open this together. I have not opened it. I would show you the front, but it has my address on it, and I just don't want that information leaked out to the web. But we're gonna open this right now and see what Stephanie has sent to me. Everything is packaged in here nicely. So here you can see a few things right on top of there I'm very excited about. I do want to add, this isn't a subscription program. You just kind of tell her your budget and she will send you stuff. She will send you makeup, skincare, hair care, all of that kind of things, brushes, you name it. She has a giant store of many cool things. You let her know what you can spend and she will create a box based on some Q&As she has with you. I just really love the personalization that I had with the conversation and how freely you can speak, and you know, she just was absolutely wonderful, and I think you guys will like her as much as I do. So first things first, this is awesome because I did tell her I have this horribly dry skin right now. I'm going through some hormonal changes right now, which have been driving me nuts, and it's been making my skin and my scalp and everything dry. So I got a few masks right here, and this is awesome. Like, look how many. There's a ton here. I love it. So we got a really cool Pacifica. I do love this brand. It's called their Banana Love Deep Moisture Mask. And we got the Sephora Pineapple Mask. That is going to be fun. I love masks. I absolutely love masks. And these might be little eye ones. Under eye patches, because I do get some under eye circles. So I got some under eye patches. A watermelon face mask by the Cream Shop. And this one, I'm excited about this one. This is 111 Skin. And I've actually, I think I've tried this mask before and I absolutely loved it. This is the Rose Gold Brightening Mask. I'm very excited about that. Let's see what else. And again, right off the, oh my God, I'm so excited about these. Some brushes, look how cute they are. Might have to hide these so my daughter doesn't try to steal them from me. But, oops, they are beautiful little brushes with pink glitter. Who doesn't love pink glitter? And honestly, I'm really excited about this. This is a fan brush, and I've been wanting one of these big fan brushes for a while. So that is awesome. I love it. You can never have too many brushes, in my opinion. Brushes are always a good option. The first palette that I see in here is from Juvia's Place, and I love Juvia's Place. This is the Blushed Rose palette, and I'm really excited that I have this. I've been wanting this one. So here is what it looks like on the inside. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I'm so excited for this. I absolutely adore this palette. Here is another one. Ooh. I mentioned that I liked like pinky colors, and I love you know, the smoky colors, the neutral. So this is what I got in here. I'm so excited. Okay, this is the Morphe 9V Vintage Rose Palette. And look at those shades. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh, perfect, like rosy, nudie shades. I love it. Oh, I'm so excited about that too. There's another palette. In our conversations, I also told her that I wanted to try more indie brands. So this is a palette from one of those brands. It is from Spoiled Cosmetics, and it is the Oh Abby palette. I'm really excited about this. Look at that. I mean, the beautiful packaging. Let's take a look at what the inside. Aw, oh, these are cute. They have little hearts on them. How cute is that? That's adorable. Aw, and it comes with a nice big mirror. Ooh, these colors are beautiful. Ooh, I can't wait to play with this. This is just a gorgeous palette. Oh, I love it. Moving along. Oh, awesome. MAC face wipes. I love these. I'm so glad I have these. Thank you. I do. I love these. Okay. Ooh, Pretty Fresh. Color Pop. Yes. Oh, this is awesome. This is the Pretty Fresh by our Color Props Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Spray. So what hyaluronic acid does is it helps keep your face moisturized. So after you apply your makeup, you want to kind of spritz, 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 and I'm gonna do this right now. It has a light, beautiful, almost like beachy, coconutty, tanning smell to it. It is so refreshing. I love it. Thank you. This is awesome. I don't think I've ever opened a box where I was just excited about everything that I see. And so far, this is just like awesome. I love it. Ooh, Violet Voss. I do not have, oh, do I have? No, I don't think I have any Violet Voss palettes. So excited. This is the Pinky Promise Violet Voss palette. Here is what the inside looks like. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. It is very like neutral. There's some pinks, and I do like how they have some darker shades in here too. I mean, that's really going to create an awesome eye look. Oh, I can't wait to do this. I can't wait. I'm so excited. All right. Ooh, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We got a lot of stuff in here. That was just the tip of the iceberg. We have a ton of stuff in here. This is the MAC Hyper Real Glow palette in Get Lit. So here's what it looks like. Oh, it's a highlighter palette. Awesome. Look at that. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Ooh, I'm excited about that. Got the Cream Shop Rose Water and Coconut Water Toner Mist. So that's fun. I like that. Oh, yay! A bunch of Color Pop gel liners. So we got white, we got green, we got an orange color, a pinky color. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love these and I use them a ton. So, ooh, Sun Bum. Oh, nice. Here is the Sun Bum sunscreen. So that's awesome. SPF 30. I do use this. So I'm really excited that I have more. And here is the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Thank you. I was out of this. I'm so excited to have this again. That is one of my favorite setting sprays. I just think it keeps your makeup like looking great all the time. So this one is a clarifying cleanser, and it is by Namaste Kitten. I Do Care, and it's a clarifying facial cleanser. I'm really excited to try this. Yay! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. So this is the Tatcha. I love Tatcha products. This is the Tatcha, the Deep Cleanse, and the Water Cream. So I am so excited to have these. Thank you. This is something else that is absolutely wonderful. This is the Honey Halo Moisturizing Cream by Pharmacy, and it is an absolutely amazing cream. I actually just ran out of this, so I'm really glad to have some more. Thank you. And here is the Honey Grail Hydrating Facial Oils too. So I got the moisturizer. I have not tried the facial oil, so I'm really excited to try this because I hear it's really, really good for super dry skin. And again, it is the Pharmacy brand, and this is a wonderful skincare brand. I also have Sun Balm Face Mist. It is a sunscreen specifically for your face. I didn't even know Pacifica made this. So we have some more sunscreen products. I'm really excited. And this is actually an after sun body. So if you notice that you got a little bit red, this on you. It does have aloe vera in it. It's to help keep your skin refreshed and hydrated after you've been out in the sun for a long time. And here is the sunscreen lotion to help when you go out into the sun. Here is Makeup Revolution lip gloss. Oh, that's a beautiful shade. And the Physicians Formula Butter Blowout Mascara. I've not tried the Physician Formula mascara, but they are one of my favorite brands. I'm really excited to try out this mascara. Ooh, here's a whole bunch of fun little lip products. So I got a beautiful corally shade from Julep. Here is a lip topper from Gerard Cosmetics. I do love Gerard Cosmetics. They have a setting spray that I'm just in love with, so I'm excited to try something else from them. Here is from the company Fourth Ray Beauty, and it's their Coconut Overnight Lip Mask. Oh, I'm so excited about that. And here is this is a mirror, I believe. Here is a beautiful mirror. I love this. This is awesome. A beautiful little mirror. You can always use more mirrors. And here is a Starfruit Hydrate and Shine hair mask from Truly. Truly is an amazing company. I do actually have an affiliate code with Truly. If you go to their site and purchase anything from Truly, you can get 15% off your entire order if you use JamieBeth15. It's an affiliate code. I do get a percentage back. So if you don't want to use it because of that, don't feel, don't do it. That's fine. But this is a great company, a great brand, and I'm really excited to try this product. The next one up is from Grace and Stella, and it is an eye cream. Oh, I'm really excited to try that. And I have one. Oh, no, I got one here. Oh, awesome. This is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I love this primer. I actually just ran out of it, so I'm so excited. I have another one. And then in my hand is the last product, excuse me, that we're gonna discuss. I mean, holy cow, I have so much stuff in this box. This has just been wonderful. I'm so excited. Oh, yay! This is a Glam Light palette. I have not tried Glam Light yet, but I've been wanting to. And this is their Glam Light cupcake palette. Oh, look, it looks like a little oven. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. Oh, adorable. And look, and then you open that up, and here's the palette. It has a little cupcake on it. It has sprinkles that shake. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Look at all those gorgeous shades. Oh my goodness, this has been the best surprise box ever. I am so excited. Please head over to the Bizy Beauty Store. I will link the site in my description box so you guys can just click it and head on over. Tell Stephanie that I sent you. I hope you guys try this out. I think it is definitely more worth your money than any subscription company out there. This is, you give a budget, you get what you have asked for. You don't get things that you don't want. This is specifically curated for you with the things that you like. That is the video for today. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and remember to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, as well as the notification bell next to it to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.